by this. So what normally we have to do here, we can prioritize. The third step is here, evaluate the risk and decide on control measures. Evaluate means what? Evaluate means prioritize whether this risk is high risk, medium risk, low risk. Okay. So we will prioritize the risk according to the hazards. And the fourth step is record your findings. We will make the records. What we will do here? We will make a list. We will make the list for the identifications list. What are the different types of hazards is there, and how we can eliminate that hazards. And the fourth, record your findings. Fifth is review your assessment, update as and when necessary. Risk assessment, first thing is to find the hazards. Prioritize means whether it is low, high, medium. It will be high, then at that time only we have to eliminate that hazards. If it will be low, take time, 1 hour, 2 hours, one day, and then eliminate. Medium, what we will do in medium, we will try to eliminate that hazards within certain durations. High, immediate requirement. Okay. So that should be maintained with the record. These are the hazards, what are the possibilities of the consequence, and when the hazard is to be eliminated from the workplace. And review your assessment, update it when necessary. So control measures also required. So what the control measures you are taking? So hazard control hierarchy I told you. Okay. First is elimination, welding, cutting. You can see now various types of sparks are coming out, splash are coming out. If you will not, own that protective elements like Google, then what will happen? It and all these things. So